The Rack Shop is proud to present this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. We have previously installed the 4Runner Slimline 2 3/4 rack. We'll link to it in the description below if you want to check out that. This is for the optional rear ladder. It's a really great product, helps access the top. There is drilling required on the bottom of the liftgate, but overall has a 260-pound carrying capacity or load capacity. See those 3 bolts in the bottom? Those do have to be drilled, and a steel plate is inserted on the back to help brace it. So really discreet and slick design, only about 4 inches from the vehicle is how far it protrudes out. But that's just a quick walk around for this vehicle so you can see what that looks like. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this ladder with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.